1. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. Most of the food you eat is broken down into sugar, also called glucose, and released into your bloodstream. Your pancreas produces a hormone called insulin, which helps move sugar from your bloodstream into your cells to be used as energy. If you have diabetes, your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use insulin effectively, leading to high levels of sugar in your bloodstream. 2. What are the types of diabetes? There are 3 main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease that typically develops in childhood or adolescence and requires insulin therapy. Type 2 diabetes is the most common type, and it usually develops in adulthood. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy and usually goes away after the baby is born. 3. What are the symptoms of diabetes? The symptoms of diabetes can include frequent urination, excessive thirst, blurry vision, fatigue, slow healing of cuts and bruises, and numbness or tingling in the hands and feet. Some people with diabetes may not experience any symptoms at all. 4. How is diabetes diagnosed? Diabetes is usually diagnosed through a blood test that measures your blood sugar levels. Your doctor may also perform an A1C test, which measures your average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. 5. What are the complications of diabetes? Diabetes can lead to a variety of complications, including heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, eye damage, nerve damage, and foot problems. It's important to manage your diabetes effectively to prevent these complications. 6. How is diabetes treated? Diabetes is typically treated with a combination of medication, diet and lifestyle changes, and regular monitoring of blood sugar levels. Medications may include insulin, oral medications, or other injectable medications. Diet and lifestyle changes may include eating a healthy diet, maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, and quitting smoking. 7. How can diet help manage diabetes? A healthy diet is an important part of managing diabetes. This may include eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, limiting sugar and refined carbohydrates, and controlling portion sizes. It's also important to maintain a consistent meal schedule and to monitor your blood sugar levels after meals. 8. How can exercise help manage diabetes? Regular exercise can help improve your body's sensitivity to insulin and lower your blood sugar levels. It's important to maintain a consistent exercise routine and to choose activities that you enjoy and that fit your lifestyle. 9. What are some dietary tips for preventing diabetes? To help prevent diabetes, it's important to limit your intake of carbohydrates and sugary foods and beverages, and to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. You should also aim to consume healthy fats and fiber-rich foods. 10. What types of exercise can help prevent diabetes? To help prevent diabetes, it's recommended that you engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, as well as strength training exercises. Some examples of aerobic exercise include brisk walking, cycling, swimming, and dancing. The above management can alleviate the symptoms of diabetes and prevent complications. However, diabetes is a chronic disease that is difficult to treat, and patients with diabetes above a certain level require daily blood sugar checks, insulin injections, and oral hypoglycemic drugs. Therefore, active management with a doctor is required.